More clients are being called to do the deep inner work, and it's time to be ready to receive and guide them in the most aligned way and in a way that works for you. They will just know that you are the one to facilitate this magical experience for them, and you will know it too with pure confidence, allowing you to feel light while asking for and receiving more money than ever before. This is what I know is possible for you and for them. Yet this won't happen if you're offering the same professional service or logical information that clients can get anywhere else, or if you're offering them less than what they really need. But the great news is you are not just anyone else. You are magical. You walk your talk, you do your own work, and the people you'd love to work with are craving a true transformation that changes their life and their results forever. And you, as a coach, consultant, creative, or healer, are about to develop a new set of tools to complement the magic you already have so you can provide this experience. And here's how. Attend my event, Shift the Field Live. Our event intention is what we call transformation confidence, meaning full and complete confidence that you can give your clients the life-changing experience they are seeking, and know how to tell them that that's what you do. This 3-day event is a premier experience for transformational leaders who want to deepen their understanding of how to help their clients shift their energy field every single time. You'll discover a clear 3-stage process for delivering world-changing transformation for each soul that you work with. It's so much easier than you may think. No matter what your area of focus, no matter what type of client you're working with, and no matter how much formal experience with this exact thing you bring to the table, when you have this transformation confidence, clients become easy to work with because you, as the leader, know how to facilitate an energetic shift of field that changes how they show up to their work with you. With transformation confidence, you become more bold in your messaging. You design higher level programs. You embrace that you actually are magical, and that you will, with complete confidence, facilitate a wild and life-changing shift in your clients' lives. When you have transformation confidence, you never go back to simply offering services or time or sessions to your clients ever again. You offer and charge for the transformation, the thing they're hungry for, the thing they truly need most, the thing they will pay you generously for. And when you attend Shift the Field Live, you will unearth and cultivate this skill. This event is designed for 2 types of transformational leaders. The coach, who's already doing magical work, but either their clients' results aren't consistent and some seem to stay stuck, or they're offering programs that aren't at the level they really want to sell out of fear of claiming those higher prices. It's also for the service-based professional who's either been nervous to start offering the deeper work because people might think it sounds kind of crazy, or has been sneaking it in the back door for free. If that sounds like you, you're invited. During our 3 days, you can look forward to a harmonious blend of 1, the transformation essentials from the book Shift the Field, default energy versus sourced energy, the anatomy of a transformation, and the 6 sourced magics. Even if you've attended before, you will go deeper and integrate more fully. You are not the same person you were last year. And 2, receiving newly articulated magic that you can apply immediately to how you're holding your own work in the world. Yes, the curriculum for this event is refreshed each and every time. Plus, you'll also enjoy a sourced experience workshop that will have you yourself walking away in a whole different energy and witnessing the same type of transformation you'll soon be more confident to deliver with your clients as a result of the training at this event. Here's what I need you to know. If clients aren't called in towards you with an open heart, ready to invest in themselves, it's because you're marketing and selling the practical stuff first. But you, my friend, can deliver so much more than that. You can go deeper. you can shift to offering them your magic through a true transformational experience. And you can feel confident knowing your clients will receive their money's worth and then some, all while having your work feel lighter and easier to deliver. And I'm here to show you how. You can find the details on this page or at shiftthefield.com/live. Register today to unlock your unique magic and start delivering the transformation your clients will love to pay for.